This is Brooke at the top of Parnell Tower. Say hi to the camera, Brooke. That's a long way down. It's a really long way down. And Brooke climbed all the way up here after doing the 3.5-mile loop. Isn't that right, Brooke? Say hi, Brooke. Yeah. Good, Brooke. Yeah. Tail waves.